Hey everybody! This is day 8 of the 10-day challenge. I am so excited. You are still here and you are still sewing along. I cannot wait until we kind of see today what your assignment is to show and tell. So I am so excited to see what you have made progress on. That's really all there is for today. So we don't have a topic of discussion, but if you have something to share, please do, or continue the discussions that we have started already from the previous days. So today is all about show and tell in a way. I would love to see like what you have moved forward on. So what did you start with? How have you moved forward? Are you still having some issues that you need us to help you get unstuck with? We're almost to the end of the challenge, so take advantage of us while we are still here and active, all right? So share a picture or two of your project. Let us know what you are working on. If there's a purpose for it, the story behind us, behind it. Give us some information. We'd love to know what your project that you're working on and also how much progress you have made. Remember, this is not necessarily about finishing it completely, okay? This is about getting unstuck, moving forward, and having fun when we sew. So that is it for today. I am super excited to see what you have to share, and we will see you tomorrow.